Hello and welcome back to your English class 3. Today we are going to take the second part of the chapter 3. First, before going ahead, let us revise what we have learnt in the previous class. Before starting the class, I have to say sorry because due to the network problem yesterday I did not uploaded the video. So today it is a little lengthy, but need not to worry. You will have sufficient time to do the exercises. So my dear students, let us revise what we have learned in the previous class. So yes, in our previous class we discussed about the positive and negative sentences. So any sentence that has no, not or any negative word is a negative sentence. Any sentence that has no, not or any negative word is negative sentence. Now let us do the next exercise, that is about the command. So my dear students, let's do one new exercise. First we will read it. Upside you can see mentioned here command. Read the following sentences. Speak loudly. Shut the door. Stop here. Leave the child. And switch on the fan. See my dear students, these all are the commands. Now, whenever you are speaking loudly or lightly in the class, teacher asks you to speak loudly. Now, then sometime mama told you to shut the door, to close the door, and whenever you are running here and there, always elders ask you to stop at the same place. So in this way, so many different type of commands are there. Now let me tell you how can we make this command into the negative. So commands are made negative by putting do not in the beginning of the sentence. Yes my dear students, commands are made negative by putting do not in the beginning of the sentence. जब भी हम किसी सेंटेंस के शुरुआत में do not लगाएंगे तो कमांड जो है वो नेगेटिव बन जाएगी. सो जैसे स्पीक लाउडली की ऑपोजिट कमांड और नेगेटिव कमांड क्या होगी? डू नॉट स्पीक लाउडली. एंड अनदर वन यू सी शट द डोर, इसकी नेगेटिव कमांड डू नॉट शट द डोर. ना sometime we say sit here, don't sit here, na will be the negative command of that sentence. Here you can see stop here, do not stop here. Then leave the child, do not leave the child, बच्चे को छोड़ दो, बच्चे को मत छोड़ो. Switch on the fan, do not switch on the fan. हाँ, so अब ये हो गया. इसी तरह से आप मम्मी पापा से पूछो कुछ और कमांड आपको कॉपी में लिख के देने के लिए, और आप उसको रफ नोटबुक में उसको नेगेटिव कमांड में कन्वर्ट करो. ओके, लेट अस डू अनदर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, that is exercise 3. Rewrite the positive as negative sentences. See my dear students, all these sentences which are given here are the positive sentences and you have to make them negative by adding not or do not, does not as mentioned. So open the door, do not open the door. Now Rohini has left, Rohini has not left. Okay, let me tell you, let me show you. Here I mentioned them. See, Rohini has not left. Third one you can see here, copy these sentences, do not copy these sentences. Here see, Rubal has been selected. See here, Rubal has not been selected. Then discuss your problem with Somesh. Do not discuss your problem with Somesh. Sixth one is, my mother is preparing pizza. My mother is not preparing pizza. na? Okay, now I told you this much. You can do rest of the exercises in the same way. See, let me tell you orally. The teacher is satisfied with your answer. Answer will be, the teacher is not satisfied with your answer. Cut your hair, cut the fruit. Do not cut the fruit. Yeah? Your answer is correct. Your answer is not correct. They have class today. They do not have class today. She is in the kitchen. She is not in the kitchen. The river is flooded. The river is not flooded. My mother is very strict. My mother is not very strict. Then, English is a difficult language. Negative sentence will be, English is not a difficult language. Then, watch this serial. Do not watch this serial. Okay, in this way this exercise also completed. Now what you will do, my dear students, you will write this exercise in your notebook. See, let me tell you clearly, the exercises with which the space is given in the notebook only to write the answer, sorry, in the book only to write the answer, those exercises need not to write in the notebook. जिन एक्सरसाइजेज के बगल में या नीचे या साथ में आंसर लिखने के लिए स्पेस बुक में दिया है ना, उन एक्सरसाइजेज को आप कॉपी में मत लिखिए, ठीक है। लेकिन जो एक्सरसाइजेज इस तरह से बिना आंसर के दी हुई हैं, उनको आप विद आंसर अपनी इंग्लिश फर्स्ट की कॉपी में मेंशन करिए ना। एक्सरसाइज चाहे 1 हो या 2 हो, जैसे देखो यहाँ पे ये आंसर दिया है, इसको आपको लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसको भी लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ स्पेस दिया है। आप ये आंसर यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो। एंड हियर ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट द आंसर ऑफ दीज sentences here. Now, in the same way here you can see answers are given here, so need not to write this exercise. But this exercise only questions are given here, so you have to write this exercise in your notebook. Okay, don't be confused. See here, exercise with answers are with exercise, no? So no need to write. But here, see this one, this you have to write. Okay. So in this way we have completed our this exercise. So now let us go to the next topic. Here it is given question type. See my dear students, as negative sentences, positive sentences are there now. One more type of sentences are there. They are the question type sentences. We can call them interrogative sentences also. Now, so let me tell you and let me explain you first what is the interrogative sentence. You can see here what is an interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is known as interrogative sentence. Example, who are you? Are you all right? How are you? Etc. Now, see, a sentence that asks a question. एक वाक्य जिससे कुछ पूछा, जिससे पता चल रहा है कि कुछ पूछा जा रहा है, उसे हम इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं या क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस कहते हैं ना। जैसे हु आर यू या फिर हाउ आर यू, तो हु आर यू मीन्स आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है ना, आपसे सवाल किया जा रहा है कि आप कौन हो। सो दिस इज ए इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. देन हियर गिवन आर यू ऑल राइट, क्या तुम ठीक हो, दिस इज ऑल्सो ए क्वेश्चन ना. ओके, इन दिस वे ओनली. एंड वन मोर थिंग यू शुड नो, क्या किस तरह से हम पहचानेंगे कि एक सेंटेंस इंटेरोगेटिव है. बेटा हमेशा एक इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस के लास्ट में इस तरह का एक मार्क आपको मिलेगा और इसे हम क्वेश्चन मार्क कहते हैं ना. हाँ, तो इस ये देखिए सेकंड क्वेश्चन है जो क्वेश्चन मार्क, इसमें भी ये देखिए आप क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा है. और अभी जो हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे उसमें भी आप देखेंगे कि इसका लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप की जगह एक क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा होता है ना. चलिए अब हम नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. सी हियर क्वेश्चन टाइप. लुक एट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस एंड रीड अलाउड. सी आई एम राइट. ये क्वेश्चन है पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. ये है तो हम कहेंगे आई एम राइट। उसके बाद जब इसको हम क्वेश्चन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो एम विल बिकम अहेड, सो एम विल कम अहेड, एम आई राइट, इट विल बी लाइक दैट ना। और उसके बाद देखिए लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क भी है। अब दूसरा देखिए सेकेंड वन, वी आर फ्रेंड्स, हियर इट इज मेंशन्ड आर वी फ्रेंड्स। Here see we are friend means they are confirmed that they are friends, but here you can see are we friends, they are asking each other are we friend, क्या हम दोस्त हैं। थर्ड वन you can see you were late, आप देर से आए हो। were you late, क्या आपको देरी हुई थी। फोर्थ वन, Vipsana is a nice girl, sorry Vipasha is a nice girl, is Vipasha a nice girl? Now again question mark. Jupin was late. Here question, was Jupin late? Then they will go on a picnic. Will they go on a picnic? Next, it is very hot today. Is it very hot today? She can solve this sum. Can she solve this sum? Again you can see at the end of every question there is given a question mark. In the same way you can read the rest of the sentences and you can try to learn the definition of the interrogative sentence. Remember my dear students, whatever definition I am giving you, you just mention them according to the chapter in your notebook. Okay, so in this chapter I have given you two definition. First is negative sentences and second one is interrogative sentences. Okay, so one more and very easy exercise is left over here. Let us do that one. Okay, so see here, is, am, are, was, were, has, can, should, must, will, etc. can be used to change sentences into questions. हाँ, तो ये जो है वर्ड्स, इन सब वर्ड्स को हम किसी भी सेंटेंस को क्वेश्चन मार्क बनाने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं ना। तो बेटा कोई भी जैसे अब हाउ आर यू, अगर हम उसको जंबल करके लिखेंगे आर यू हाउ, तो इट विल नॉट बिकम ए सेंटेंस ना, वो स्पेशली एक इंटेरोगेटिव क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा, इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस हो जाएगा। लेकिन इस तरह से ये जो इज़, एम, आर, वाज, वर, हैज़, कैन, शुड, मस्ट, विल, ये सब वर्ड्स हैं, ये सेंटेंस के बीच में ही रहते हैं, बस इनको इधर उधर करके हमको क्वेश्चन वाला सेंटेंस बना देते हैं ना, या इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस बना देते हैं। चलिए नेक्स्ट वन, पुट ए क्वेश्चन मार्क एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस। किसी भी सेंटेंस को लिखने के बाद लास्ट में आप क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाएंगे। हियर यू कैन सी आई एम ए गुड गर्ल, देन क्वेश्चन एम आई अ गुड गर्ल ना। ओके, sorry, Saryu is an intelligent girl. Is Saryu an intelligent girl? Second one, you can make chocolate. Can you make chocolates? Okay, now let me show you it here. See here mentioned. Exercise 4. You can make chocolate. Can you make chocolate? Na? See, question mark is here. Then the children are flying kites. Are the children flying kites? Okay. Then next one. Story books are available here. Are story books available here? Fifth one. Surya is at school. Is Surya at school? Now, okay, sixth one, we should follow the rules. Should we follow the rule? Given here. We must be quiet. Must we be quiet? Father will be busy. Will father be busy? Somebody is calling you. Is somebody calling you? In the same way, rest of the exercise also you can do. But remember, these two topics are rememberable. Question ask something means questions वाला जो सेंटेंस होता है उसमें कुछ पूछा जाता है ना. दे एंड विद ए क्वेश्चन मार्क, और उनमें लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क लगता है. और व्हाट इज द रिमेंबरेबल अबाउट द नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस? यस, इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस negative words are used, means no, not, never, this kind of words you can see in the negative sentences. Okay my dear students, I hope you all will understand it now and you will all revise it also. So tomorrow we will meet with the next chapter. Till then, do these exercises in your notebook copy, in your notebook. Here this third one and this fourth one, these two exercises, I know they are a little lengthy, but you can do them now. Okay, so tomorrow we will meet with the next chapter. Till then, stay safe and be with your study. Thank you.